T-Mobile's home internet service has expanded dramatically, but many users still experience signal challenges. Understanding the basics of your connection can help you achieve significantly better performance. T-Mobile has rolled out 5G ultra-capacity coverage to over 300 million Americans by late 2024. This mid-band network provides the backbone for home internet service, offering much faster speeds than traditional LTE. Download speeds typically range from 72 to 245 megabits per second, while upload speeds are usually between 15 and 31 megabits per second. However, these speeds vary significantly based on your location and signal strength. To optimize your connection, you need to understand two key signal metrics. RSRP, or reference signal received power, measures signal strength. You want this to be negative 80 dBm or better for optimal performance. SINR, or signal to interference plus noise ratio, measures signal quality. Target 20 decibels or higher for the best performance. This metric is just as important as signal strength. The most effective way to improve your signal is proper gateway positioning. Start by placing your gateway near a window that faces the nearest cell tower. This simple step can dramatically improve your connection. Height matters too. Position your gateway 3 to 6 feet off the ground for optimal signal propagation. Avoid placing it near metal objects, mirrors, or other electronic devices that can interfere with the signal. These simple positioning techniques can improve your signal strength by 15 to 40% on average. In many cases, this is all you need to achieve reliable, fast internet speeds without any additional equipment. When basic gateway positioning doesn't provide sufficient signal improvement, external antenna solutions offer the next level of optimization. These advanced hardware solutions can dramatically boost your T-Mobile home internet performance. Band locking is an advanced technique that forces your gateway to connect to specific frequency bands. By selecting optimal bands like N41 or N71, you can avoid network congestion and achieve more consistent performance during peak usage hours. The future of T-Mobile home internet includes exciting technological advances. Wi-Fi 7 integration will provide faster local network speeds, while AI-powered optimization will automatically select the best network bands and settings for your specific location and usage patterns. T-Mobile is rapidly expanding its 5G network infrastructure. The migration to 5G standalone architecture will improve latency and reliability, while increased focus on rural deployments means better coverage in previously underserved areas. The most effective approach to T-Mobile home internet optimization combines multiple strategies. Start with proper gateway placement, understand your local network conditions, and selectively implement external antennas when needed. This systematic approach ensures consistent speeds and optimal performance.